Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from PayPal to your security bank. So it is very easy to do. Just make sure you watch this video till the end. So first thing you need to do is open up your security bank app and then log in your account. After this, you need to click on your account that you want to receive in your money. So just click from here. Then this will open up this page where you can see the transaction history of your bank account. Now you have to click on this account info from the this tab. So just click in this account info option. Then you will be able to get your account name and all the basic account details. So you just have to copy these details because it will be helpful in next step. Now once you have these account details, you need to open up your PayPal app and then log in your account. Then you need to click on this wallet icon. Then it will show you the PayPal balance in your account. So now you have to click on this add banks and cards option. Now you will be presented with the two options, banks, debit and credit card. So from here simply select banks. Now from this list select your security bank and enter your bank details and your bank will be linked with the PayPal. Now next step is to open the PayPal app again and then go to the wallet section. Now this time you have to click on your balance that is showing right here. So just click on it. Then this will open up this similar screen where you can see the available balance in your PayPal. Now to transfer this balance to your security bank, you need to click on this transfer button. Then you will be given two options. So transfer money and get cash. You have to click on this transfer money option. And on this page, you have to select your transfer speed. So if you want to receive money faster, you can use this first method, which will transfer your money in minutes, but it will cost 25 cents as a fee. But if you can wait, you can choose this second option, which will transfer your money in 1 to 3 business days. So you can either choose of any of them. Now the most important thing you need to do is that make sure in two section your security bank is selected that you have linked earlier. If it doesn't, you can click on this change button and then from there you can select your security bank. After this you need to click on this transfer button, and once you do that, your money will be transferred from PayPal to your security bank. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.